The Collections Management integration with Notice PayLink, commonly known as Collections PayLink, is a feature involving two components. Number one being Collections Management, used for collecting and managing past due receivables, and number two is PayLink from Notice for making payments from a gateway, then routing back into Dynamics GP. With this feature, users can include payment links inside collection emails, distribute those emails via collection plans, query letters, or one-off emails. Customers can then view statements and make payments for one or several invoices without registering for an account or logging into a payment portal. The end result of this feature being late payments get paid faster with less cost to your business. The letter maintenance window inside Collections allows users to create templates for their emails. There are two basic scenarios for creating payment links. Scenario 1, we want to include a single payment link for one or multiple invoices. We'll use this very basic template and insert a function called PayLink for multiple documents. This will include one payment link for any invoice a user has attached to this email. Those invoices can be defined by the letter template or by the end user. No further modification is needed. The other scenario, we want to include individual or multiple payment links for invoices we are sending. In this example, we'll configure the template to include individual payment links for all overdue invoices, along with the document's originating currency. First, we insert the overdue document function. Now we'll modify the function to contain the extra details, including a payment link for these overdue docs. This is done using a sequence of integers. First, we define the pad length by inserting the number 20. This is an integer indicating the length of the field. Next, we'll include the number 1, indicating the document's originating currency. After that, we insert a 0, indicating we do not want to include credit documents for this template. Finally, we'll include another number 1, indicating we want to include a payment link for each document. From Collections Main, a useful feature for sending pay links can be accessed from any Collections transaction inquiry window. If you don't want to worry about drafting a specific email or selecting a certain template, you can drill into the customer's accounts receivable, simply select the documents you wish them to pay, then click Generate Pay Link. This method will use one default template configured in the Collections Management Setup window. You'll notice in this case we've included one payment link to pay 3 invoices. I can verify who these need to go to, then simply send the email. Another method, of course, is sending an email from the Collections email window. Once here, I can add the recipient, select the letter template I've created, refresh the message, and you'll notice the pay links are generated. Then send the email. From Microsoft Outlook, we can see that the email was sent. When the customer receives the email, they can click the payment and it will bring them to your payment gateway. After the customer pays, payment is then routed back to Dynamics GP and applied via payment link. This is the main concept behind the Collections Management PayLink feature, being able to contact your customers via email with included invoices and payment links.